Hello, welcome back to another sum. So let's start the next sum. So the next sum is the fourth sum of page number 32. So let's read it. From the following trial balance of Mr. Piyush and Mr. Arun, you are required to prepare a trading profit and loss account and a balance sheet. Okay. Here there is no, there has been not been said about the ratio. So the ratio is equal. Okay. Let's start with opening stock to opening stock, which is 30,800. The next is purchases. Purchases are 80,000. There is no purchase return, so no worries. Then sales, buy sales. Sales is 1,20,000. There is no sales return, so no worries. Next, salaries. Salaries come under to salary, 5,000. Okay. Next, wages. Wages come under TD. Wages 7,500. Carriage. Carriage also. Okay. Oh, carriage is 3,000. Okay. Next is royalty. Royalty is also in trading balance. So royalties, which is 2,500. Frigate. Frigate is also in trading account balance. So frigate is 700. Next, printing and stationery, which will come under this. So printing and stationery, no adjustments, so it will come 1050. Sundry debtors. Debtors comes in asset side. Assets, there is an adjustment, so let's solve it. Asset side, sundry debtors, okay, which is 43,000. We have adjustment, like we have to provide RDD at the rate 2.5%, so we have to less new RDD at a rate 2.5%. So 43,000 into 2.5% is 1075. 1075. So we have to less this amount from 43,000. Okay, which is 41,925. 41,925. Now this is an adjustment, so the second entry will come under profit and loss account. So we know the formula. You have to write the formula. 2 old bad debts, you have to add new bad debts, then add new RDD, then from the total we have to less old RDD, which will be given in the trial balance. Okay, so let's see, is there any bad debts? Yes, it is, which is 500. So 500. No new bad debts, as we saw in the adjustment. We got new RDD as 1075. So we have to add them both. 500 plus 1075, which is 1575. Next, we have to see if there is any old RDD. No RDD, so dash, and now we have to get the total, which is 1575. Okay. Next, after debtors, there is furniture. Furniture, there is an adjustment, so let's see. Furniture is for 20,200. We have to provide any depreciation, 5%, so less depreciation at a rate 5%. So 20,200's 5% is 1010, 1,010 rupees. Okay, now we have to less from 20,200, so the answer is 19,190. Okay, now depreciation amount will come in this side, so you have to write 2 depreciation account. We will write furniture and the amount directly 1010. Okay, next, lease or property, which is an asset, so it will come under this. No adjustment, so directly outer column, lease hold property, which is 25,000. Okay, next is investment is 15,000. Okay, next is traveling expenses, which is indeed an expense, so to traveling expense, the answer is 3450. Okay, next is advertisement, hidden adjustment. Okay, so let's solve it first. To advertisement, okay, which they have given 30,000 for 3 years. We will solve it. Okay, adjustment, they have said that advertisement they have paid 30,000, okay, for 3 years, but we are calculating it for 1 year. Okay, so which means they have been paid extra for 2 years. Okay, so firstly we'll see the calculation. So 30,000 divided by 3, which is 10,000 per month, which means we are paying 10,000 per month the advertisement, and for 2 years they have paid 20,000, which means 10,000 into 2, so which is 20,000. So means we have paid 20,000 extra. Okay, so we'll do the calculation here. So they have paid extra, which means we have to less the prepaid. Okay, prepaid 20,000, and the amount will be got outside, which is 10,000. Now this prepaid is an what? Asset. So we'll write here prepaid advertisement. Okay, so which is 20,000. Next, bad debts is done. Discount allowed. Okay, which discount allowed is an expense, which means we have allowed someone a discount, which is indeed an expense for us. So discount allowed, it is 1,800. Then cash in hand, cash at bank, these are the assets, so we'll put them. Cash in hand, cash at bank. So cash in hand is 7,000, cash at hand is 20,000. Okay, next is fixed deposit. Fixed deposit is an asset, but we have an adjustment about the fixed deposit. So fixed deposit we have adjustment. Yeah, interest on fixed deposit is receivable, which means we are getting an income. So fixed deposit is 15,000. Okay, okay, we are getting an interest, so interest which will be added, so interest is 1,200. So the answer will be 16,200. Interest is an income, so we'll write in the income side, leaving one line, by interest on fixed deposit. The answer is 1,200. Okay, next, yeah, the debit side balance is done. Now let's see. Okay, capital balances are given, so we'll write the capital balances by balance brought down. Piyush has 80. Okay, both them 80,000. So Piyush has 80,000, Arun has 18,000. Next, sundry creditors. Creditors is a liability, so we'll go in the liability side. Okay, liability, you have to leave 3 lines and write sundry creditors. Okay, sundry creditors are 20,500. Let's put the name here first, so no tension about afterwards. So capital, partners capital account, the partners were Piyush, the other one Arun. Okay, let's go forward. Interest received on fixed deposit. Okay, we have another interest received, so it is in trial balance, so only one entry which will become here by interest on fixed deposit. I'm writing in short form, you have to write in full form. Okay, so 1000. Okay, next, bank overdraft. Bank overdraft is an liability, so bank overdraft. Okay, bank overdraft is 10,000. Now all such things are done in the trial balance. Now let's see the adjustment. Stock, closing stock, 2 entries, one in asset side, one in trading account credit side. So closing stock 35,000, and another will be here by closing stock, which is 35,000. Okay, 35, yes. Fixed deposit is done. Okay, third adjustment, RDD is also done, depreciation also done. Okay, fixed adjustment is an important one. So goods of 8,000 were destroyed by fire and insurance company admitted a claim of 6,000 only. Okay, which means we have some goods, okay, of 6,000 which got on fire, and we got an claim from insurance company for 6,000. Okay, so the claim we got is an asset. Okay, the goods destroyed is an trading account credit side balance, because we got some goods, and the 2,000 rupees means, which means 8,000 which were lost, in which we got 6,000 as claim, which means 2,000 is still lost. So this 2,000 is a loss, in which will come in profit and loss account debit side. Okay, so 3 entries here. You have to write first entry about the 8,000 of goods which were lost by fire. Okay, so by goods destroyed by fire, first entry about 8,000. Now we got the claim, which means we got the money. It will come under asset side, which is insurance claim 6,000. The 2,000 rupees loss will come under profit and loss account debit side. So two goods loss on fire, which is 2,000. Okay, now nothing is left, we just need to calculate. Okay, now we are going to get the total. 1,20,000 plus 35,000 plus 8,000, which is 1,63,000. 1,63,000. Okay, now we will less, and let's see what is the gross profit. 30,800 less, 80,000 less, 7,500 less, 3,000 less, 2,500, and last is 7,000. We got 38,500 as our gross profit. So 2 gross profit. Okay, now we will transfer this to this account. So by gross profit brought down. Okay, this is gross profit carried down. So 38,500. Income side is only this much, so it is easy for us to calculate, which is 40,700. 40,700. 40,700. Now let's less the expenses. Minus 5,000 first, then 1,050 less 1,575 less 1,010 less 3,450 less 10,000 less 1,800 less 2,000. We got answer 14,815 rupees. So this is our net profit. We have to distribute them between the Arun and Piyush. Okay, as we know, there is no ratio given, so we'll distribute them equally. Okay, so 14,800 divided by 2, we got answer 7,407 rupees. Now the last number is odd, which means we have to give one partner an extra rupee. Okay, so one partner will get 7,408 rupees and another partner will get 7,407 rupees. Okay, now we have to put this both total into respective profit and loss, partners account. So by net profit 7408, 7407. Now we have to add them. So 80,000 plus 7408, which is 87,408 rupees, 87,408 rupees. Another will get 87,407 rupees because and rupee was less. Okay, now we have to get these balances and transfer them into the liability side. So two balance carried down, 87,408, 87,407. I'll put them into this both side. Okay, so 87,408, 87,407. The total of them is 87,407. Okay, so total is 174,805. Okay, so it is 1,74,815. Now we have to get the total. Okay, so plus 20,500 plus 10,000, which is 2,05,305, 2,05,315. Sorry. Now I have to add the liability side. 41,925 plus 19,190 plus 25,000 plus 15,000 plus 20,000 plus 7,000 plus 20,000 plus 16,200. Okay, plus 35,000, and last is 6,000. The answer we get tallied. So 2,05,315. Done.